So what is eBird? eBird has completely changed my birding, and you can use eBird to see more birds too. If you have been in the birding world for a few years, then you've probably heard of eBird before. But if you haven't, then this is the video for you, because I'm going to give you a very brief overview of eBird, and then if you want more, you can check out my full tutorial. I'll link it in the video description and in the top right corner of your screen. Coming up. eBird is an online citizen science database holding over 1 billion bird observations from birders around the world. Scientists use eBird data to track and monitor bird populations. eBird is also for the birding community. Birders get to see sightings roll in and can subscribe for alerts on rarities. Using eBird can help you plan your trip and see what birds you wouldn't otherwise know existed in your area. Today I just used eBird to track down a few cerulean warblers in a city park. I saw several checklists for the park that had cerulean warbler on them. This was not a popular birding destination by any means. It was just a city park with a playground and a paved path. But because of other eBirders' reports on cerulean warblers, I could tell that this could be a pretty good place for cerulean warbler. The Macaulay library inside of eBird features millions of bird photos, audio, and video for sharpening your skills. There's a lot more inside of eBird, so to get an in-depth overview and tutorial of eBird, click on the video in the top right corner of your screen right now. I'll see you there.